Hello everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Today I'm going to be doing a salad that I have been craving for. So I put it together over the weekend and it was amazing. I made a whole big bowl and I ended up eating it the same day, but obviously I had some in the afternoon, some. So I actually had the whole day I was snacking on this and it was just amazing. So that let me just do a quick video of it and show you how beautiful, fresh, and the spring is coming, yay! So I want to do all kinds of salad recipes. So let's get started. Bottom of this dish, what I picked this was a spring salad, like a spring starter kit. It's got radicchio in it. It's got baby lettuce in it. So I love this mix and it's organic. So I'm going to put that on the bottom. All right. So what we want to do is basically work with the colors because I love putting in colors where you kind of see the colors and it just gives you all the vitamins that you need, plus also makes it very, very appealing to the eye. So you see here that I'm just kind of also putting it more on the side so that on the bowl you'll be able to see how beautiful layers we're gonna get. Okay, so I did the mini bell peppers, or the mini peppers here. I cut them up. I had orange, yellow, and red, and so I did that. And now we're gonna do something green. So I have sugar snap peas here. And I'm telling you, these peas are amazing. You can just snack on them on their own. They are so delicious, super sweet. All right, so once we put that in, then we're gonna do tomatoes and we're gonna, now I also wanted to mention that I am not gonna put any dressing on this. And that's the reason is because I actually like to use store-bought, I have to admit, French dressing and ranch dressing. So if you're taking this to a party or something, this is great because it's not gonna get soggy. You can take your bottles and you can use whatever you like. You don't have to use what I like. Then I'm gonna do cherry tomatoes on top, just like so. And this is just great because summers, you're gonna get everything organic. Then I'm going to do the cucumber here, but this is the English cucumber. And I also like Persian cucumbers because they're so crispy and so delicious. So you see how we're just getting all the colors and everything in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a blend of, I'm going to do corn. Now this corn I just boiled and I just kind of cut it while it was on the cob, see? And it's so sweet. It's just so sweet. We're gonna do this. And now if you wanted to go ahead and add some chicken in this, or you wanted, you're welcome to do it. This is just an idea to get started. And then I have here some coleslaw that I put in. And this is a ready-made bake, but where you live, if you don't find one, just slice up some white cabbage, and then you could do some purple cabbage, and just shred a little carrots if you like. If you don't, that's perfectly fine. All right, so we got that. Now I know this, I don't know if you're gonna find this weird, but I absolutely love to shred some cheddar cheese on it. I love the taste of it. I don't know, it's what it is, but I just love it. It gives it that really nice creamy texture to it as well. And then once I get this done, I'm also going to top it off with some honey roasted sunflower seeds and some pepitas. I love the crunch on those. All right, so we got that in. This salad is such that you can use a little or a lot of something, or even leave some stuff out. We're going to top this off with some nuts. So I'm going to put this pepper right on top. Some sliced almonds that I'm just going to sprinkle on top. This is going to give us a really nice crunch. And then I've got honey roasted sunflower seeds and pepitas that are going to go on top. This would be a great Ramadan recipe as well. And we're done. Let's see, but look at all those layers. It's just beautiful, and it's such a great presentation to take it anywhere also. So basically I mentioned that I'm doing store-bought French and ranch. And that also, when we want to eat it, we'll just pour it on there so it doesn't get soggy. But other than that, I want you guys to try this and let me know what you guys thought about this salad. It's just my absolute favorite salad. So I'm not going to be doing a taste test because Obviously, I want to eat it during dinner time. But thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. See you then, friends.